Hey y'all, it's Em, and today I'm going to be reacting to NCT127 Fire Truck, the music video and the performance version. Um, I'm really not sure with NCT. I know that SM Entertainment made this giant boy group and then all these subunits and whatnot. And oh, if you hear anything in the background, that's my boyfriend Han, just doing his studying for his upcoming semester. It's really hectic. So right now I have NCT's Wikipedia page up. So the members that are in NCT 27 or that subunit are Taeil, Taeyoung, who is the one that I thought as my bias in the Seventh Sense music video. Then we have Yuta, Jaehyun, Win-Win, Mark, and Haechan. So let's check this out, shall we? NCT Fire Truck music video playing 3, 2, 1, go.
Getting lifted.
Okay. Definitely interesting.
Fire truck. 어디 보면 Mr. Firm on the floor. 부러지벼봐 열기를 식혀줄게. 불만이 가득 적어도 화끈하게. 저 siren 소리에 느끼는 내 기분은 말썽 빼는 척은 곤란. Hey 미치근한 분위기는 no thanks. 흔들리는 내 달궈진 backseat. 태운 뒤 빈틈없이 we get lit. Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now.
NCT kind of ranks in FX because they're very artistic and different with their music. I like how FX is supposed to be like male effects.
리듬 느끼는 대로 흔들어 뜨거워지는 순간 그게 소리쳐. Fire truck. Being there everywhere 부르기만 하면 돼. Look it out 그냥 불장난 같아. Blink 나만 나타나. Just blink for me 시원하게 네 화를 불어줄 테니 Just hold up 작품나 미리면 다쳐 get higher. 열기 맞춰 rocket처럼 뜨거워. 익어가는 폭발하기 10초 전. Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now. One step, two steps. 짜릿한 네 음악 네만 봐 불태우지. 외쳐봐 소방차 어디든 달려가지.
Basically them
리듬에 맞춰 흔들어 전율 느끼는 순간 그게 소리쳐. Fire truck. Fire truck.
I wonder if they're using fire truck in the way that it's you know how people say fire truck instead of the F word. I wonder if they're using it that way. I don't know. I'll have to check the lyrics. Or maybe they're putting out the fire. Like, I don't know. Of course, gotta have a dancing in water scene. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay then. So that was the actual music video of Fire Truck. Now I'm gonna watch the performance version, which is just gonna be them dancing. NCT, I mean they're from SM, so they have really good dances. So let's check this out, shall we? NCT Fire Truck performance version playing 3, 2, 1.
Getting lifted.
Like, I was blown away by the 7 Cents dance, so I hope this rocks my world too.
말썽 조금 곤란 Hey 미치게나 분위기는 no thanks 흔들리는 내 달궈진
The rapping's pretty good for an SM group. I know that SM usually don't have the best rappers, but they've really improved with either picking good rappers or training them. Not just pretty boys who can't sing. That dress skirt thing, I don't know.
Fire truck. Yeah, beating it everywhere 부르기만 하면 돼 Look it out 그냥 불장난 같아 Blink 나만 나타나 Just blink for me 시원하게 네 화를 불어줄 테니 Just hold up 작두나 밀면 다치게
NCT is going to be one of those groups where I listen to the music but I'm not like super into the members, you know? Just because there's going to be so many members and I already have a tendency to get involved with groups that have insane amount of members, so 리듬에 맞춰 흔들어 전율 느끼는 순간 크게 소리쳐 Fire truck Fire truck Fire truck 멈추지 마 밤이 새도록 Next 몸으로 turn it up Next 몸으로 turn it up I mean, the dance is pretty impressive. I mean, there's not much I can say.
Sabangcha. 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 Sabangcha.
Very, very good. So that has been NCT127 with Fire Truck. Very good. The song, probably not my favorite, but the dance, spectacular. Anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And why is my thing messing up now? Darn it.